Hello, this is a recording for Friday, March 6th. Today's practice is titled Refreshing Stream. It is designed to help you wash away unpleasant feelings and move forward refreshed. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few nice, easy breaths in and out. Now visualize a stream of water pouring down the back of your head from the crown down to the shoulders, down the back, and away from you. The perfect temperature, hot, warm, or cool, whatever feels soothing in this moment. Flowing in a constant, steady stream. From the crown of your head, past the shoulders, down the back, down and away from you. Washing away all unpleasant feelings, tensions, worries. All unpleasant feelings, tensions, worries, washed away. All of it washed away. Stream of water pouring down from the crown of the head, past the shoulders, down the back, and away from you. Constant, steady stream, refreshing you, heart, body, and mind, refreshed. Take a moment to enjoy the feeling of the steady stream refreshing you. You can start fresh from this moment on. Fresh feeling, fresh outlook, fresh sensation from head to toe. Ready to start fresh from this moment on. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to take this feeling of freshness that hopefully you generated through this practice into your day. Continue your day refreshed and repeat the practice as many times as needed. It's also good to do it in a shower or under the rain. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.